Welcome to call back. Please punch in your secret number. Mr. Kofi, you were here this morning. And we told you you don't have money in your account. Now you're here again. You think the bank is going to make a mistake? You are a thief. Only nobody will stand on that again. I'm telling you, you should add more stuff to that thing. Make it crazy, make it difficult for people to just mess this up. Another thing they should do, they should ban all these artificial things that girls are wearing. Yes, it's fraud, fraud. You are showing us what you don't have. That's fraud. It's a criminal act. You carry girl. Oh, this one is hurting my feelings. You carry a girl. My wife is here. Those days, before I met her, I carry one babe. If you see this girl, if you see Nyash, if you see Bombo, South Africa is small now. If you see Bombo, I carry this girl to the house. Boom! Enter the room. She was like, baby, come on, can you break the light? I want you to be more romantic, you know? So in my mind, I was like, oh, this girl loves romance. I put up the light. She's like, can I use the bathroom real quick? I said, yeah, no problem. Light was off. She went to the bathroom, came back. I went to ease myself. I entered bathroom. I said, they fish. No, when you're in the bathroom, that's when you start noticing things. And this thing is dirty. I need to clean it up. So I was looking, I just looked at the clothes line. So Yash. Philomena, did you spread Yash here? Yes, it was wet. I had to dry it. Fraud. Under the room, this guy did not have anything. So since that day, I devised a new technique that I want to share with you people. How you can know if the Yash is fake or real. When you're in the club dancing with the girl with big bum bum and she's dancing for you, shake, you know girls now they don't be shaking one day. Light cigar. Take a long drive. When the thing is red, carry the cigar, place on the Yash. Once the thing touch the bum bum and she cannot do it's fake. Once that's come up, it's for permission. Fake! It's annoying. And the funny thing, I have a beautiful daughter. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know. Daughter is beautiful. And I'm so protective. I love even my wife, I be protecting everybody. If I see a guy talking to my wife, oh, I feel vexed. My daughter, I'm so protective, it's a problem. To the point that I don't even let my daughter eat banana. Daddy, I want banana, she don't hold the banana. Ah, no, please let me cut it into small pieces. Don't eat it like that, it's not nutritious, you eat it like this. That's a crap. And I tell you, I swear down, women, like, you know, my daughter, look at her, like, man, this girl is going to grow up, you know, going to grow up, some guys start toasting her, shit like that. But my daughter is smart, like my wife is smart. My wife one day, I pissed her off. Actually, she pissed me off, and I shouted at her. You know, she slapped me, and started crying. She's like, look at what you just made me do. And I said, baby, I'm so sorry. And she was wrong. Women are smart. And I tell guys, never ever think that you're smarter than a woman. Never in your life. And women, they know how to just pounce on you and surprise you. And guys, you don't know. Not when you're chatting with another girl in your house, whether your wife, your girlfriend, you're chatting, there's a smile on your face. You don't know. But if your wife or girlfriend catch you, they know. You don't know, but you just say, okay, baby, I miss you too. They smile. And women, when they come at you, men, they are not as fast as they are. Women will just come, baby, who are you chatting with? Our guys, you know, that's a lie. Come in. You heard me, who are you chatting with? Like, you have to be fast. Because if you do the same thing to a woman will change the scenario, and you will now be the one that's the victim. Try it. Go with the woman. Baby, who are you chatting with? You think I'm like you, and you'll be chatting all these stupid girls. Women are smart. And you guys think you guys are, no, you're not. My wife caught me one day. Boom! Entered the room, surprised me. Baby, who are you chatting with? I said, Give me the phone. Just give me the phone. He said, what? He said, give me the phone. And me, I was chatting with a woman. And the chat was just, he said, baby, don't touch that phone, just give it to me. And I knew if I give it to her, I'm dead. The sharp guy. I just looked at her and said, baby, so you mean you don't trust me? You think I'm chatting with another woman? He said, yes. Give me the phone. And don't touch anything, just pass the phone. I said, baby, no, wait. So you mean that you don't trust me? You think I'm chatting with another woman with a simple bloody device? You think I'm not cheating on you? Think I'm cheating on you? Think I'm The screen was broken, you can't see anything. Since that day, she can't have this guy has hot temper. So she really has to obey. But when you are doing that, make sure there's cheap phone. Then Samsung. Notice Samsung, iPhone. They know that men are, and women too, they're like this, So they now brought up that fingerprint security code that you can use to lock your phone, which is the best device ever. Only you can unlock your phone. You put your fingerprint and it's locked. Those guys are thinking for the men and the women to lock the phone. But now think about it. Do you think that secures your phone? What happens when you sleep? You know the sleep. Look at your tongue. So they wake up. Who's Jessica? I mean, I have to say, I have an iPhone, I use my fingerprint, but since the day I put the fingerprint, this hand sleep. When I remove my hand from my mouth.
Tap on me, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. Peter Pan, me, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. Peter Pan, me, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. This a girl make a feel like a Peter Pan. Me a get a hitty like a boy cardigan. This a girl show me love before me love me never see. For the winter but me feel like a the Hamilton. This a girl make a feel like a Peter Pan. Me a get a